everybody, Pearl and Tracey here from Uniquely Creative with our Advent Kit for 2021. This is our Christmas countdown and today we are going to share with you what is in the very first parcel. So let me put this down and I will open it up, and this is gift number one, and Pearl here is going to help me open them. Can you open up gift number one for me please, Pearl?
Okay.
Move the box out the way. Ooh. Pearl's birthday soon, so she's getting in good practice opening presents. Let me help with that one. Got it? Woohoo! Thank you, Pearly. What have we got? We have got a 12 by 12 paper collection. This one is called Seize the Day. This is our Seize the Day collection. It is a beautiful collection. It's a slightly smaller collection than our normal collections, with it's only got 12 papers in it, so it's got 6 designs. So that is what is in day number one, and if you join us tomorrow for day number 2, we will show you what is in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.